What up, though, Detroit? It's your girl Noni here, and welcome to Eats in the D. In Detroit, we're serious about our pizza. You name it, we got it. Anything from Detroit-style pizza to Neapolitan to artisan, and yes, even New York and Chicago-style pizza. But one thing's for sure, the D's pizza joints don't disappoint.
We're headed to Eastern Market, the largest historic public market district in the U.S. Some of the D's most popular eateries, breweries, and distilleries, and one of Detroit's favorite pizza places, Supino Pizzeria, call it home. Supino Pizzeria serves up monster foldable slices, a bold move in Detroit. But after one bite, you'll understand why Detroiters keep coming back for more. When Eastern Market starts bumping on Saturdays, finding a table at Supino's is a hot commodity. Don't worry though, takeout is always an option. So we're here with Dave Mancini at the Supino Pizzeria here in Eastern Market. How you doing, Dave?
I'm very well. How you doing?
Good. Thank you for joining us here on Eats in the D.
Yeah, thanks for hosting us.
I love the decor, and I know that this place has a history. So what's the inspiration behind Supino Pizzeria?
So Supino is actually the name of my father's village in Italy. It's where he was born and lived for the first part of his life. And I actually had the chance to move back, or to not move back there, to go back there and check it out when I got out of graduate school. So sort of ironic, as I was leaving graduate school, I sort of got inspired to make pizza instead of do what I had been in school for.
Which was?
I was a physical therapist.
Oh,
and I
nice.
practiced for 8 years. Yeah, I practiced for 8 years until I opened Supino. So that was the initial inspiration, and it was at first just kind of a hobby, and then it just turned into more and more of a serious thing. So.
Nice, nice. Well, you know, physical therapy, pizza is somewhat therapy for some of us.
Sure.
You know, like I said, we're serious about our pizza here in Detroit.
Absolutely.
You know?
Absolutely.
So what is, you know, like one of the things that draws people here? Like your good stuff on the menu, the good pizzas on the menu.
For me, like when you say what draws people here, really it's all about the crust. I mean, that's what it comes down to. You're never going to make something, no pizza's ever going to be better than what the crust is. It doesn't matter what you put on it, the crust has got to be good.
You got pretty big slices too.
They're big slices, yeah. But it's a thin crust, and we hope it's kind of light. You know, I have good days and bad days with it, but it's
mostly good, because I
mean, they
keep coming.
So. They
keep coming.
We've done pretty good, and we have a ton of local support, which is just awesome.
That you are in Eastern Market, you know, like the largest public market district in the United States. I know that you've got to, you know, go to these different local establishments to get some of these ingredients.
For sure. And it's now it's just, when I first opened, it was a lot of, you know, like DeVries across the street over there. You know, Hurt, who's in the market, Cara Magnus, some of these guys. But what's been great also is even like farmers that grow not 2 miles from here. You know, guys right up the street down Gratiot. One of my wait staff is actually a farmer, and you know, she always has like the hookup with just like amazing stuff.
Who doesn't want the hookup? That's awesome. What are some of your favorite dishes that people come and order, like your pizzas?
Well, you know, there's a couple of really popular ones. My personal favorite is the verdure e funghi, which is just an urban mushroom pizza.
What is it called?
The verdure e funghi.
Verdure e funghi.
Yeah. Basically, it's just mushrooms and greens is what it means, but it's really, or mushrooms and vegetables, but it's actually just an urban mushroom pizza. It's my mom's favorite also. But you know, we've expanded the menu a little bit. We're doing meatballs now. We're doing a mushroom dish. We got beans on there, so some more you know, different things that people can try. During the winter, we've been doing soup, and it's been really
what kind of soups do you have? I love soup.
We do basically one soup. It's just it's a chickpea soup, like a classic Italian chickpea with Parmesan broth.
So does that cater to your vegan, your vegetarian
well,
consumer?
vegetarian, not vegan. It does have Parmesan in it, so it's made with a Parmesan broth. So. But yeah, vegetarian. We have a ton of, you know, we do vegan pizzas.
I was going to ask you that, like for your plant-based vegan
Yeah,
customers.
we actually do pizza that has no cheese on it, which with our crust, again, the crust is, I hope, good enough that it actually still tastes good without any cheese on it. We just, you know, we top it with some more substantial vegetables like some spinach or mushrooms or that kind of thing. You know,
because that would be what I would get. Like because I'm a plant-based. I'm your plant-based customer. Yum.
Off the hook. Incredible. I've never had potato on a pizza before, but I may have it again. Hello, goodbye.
People come down here and you gotta have, well, you don't have to, but I gotta have like a nice cocktail to go with my pizza slice.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I see you've got a full bar going on here. So is there anything that you would recommend, like a pairing or beer?
So for me personally, I'm a wine guy.
You're a wine
Especially
guy.
with
I
pizza,
like wine
particularly. I know in Detroit likes beer and pizza, which so do a lot of people.
Yeah.
For me, I'm more of a wine and pizza guy, so I would say the favorite wine I have right now is a Chianti. And it goes so well with the red sauce pizza. We always have something available for $8 or less. So that's always, you can get a glass of wine, a couple slices of pizza, and not kill your bank account. You know, that's kind of the idea is always.
And then you've got your cocktails, your standard vodkas.
Standard cocktails, and we have some Amaro, which is like the Italian bitter drinks. We have a ton of that. And like Amaro Spritz is a great thing on a summer day. Right now it's a little cold for that, but.
Italian bitter.
Yeah.
So what would you put that with?
For me, I like it just with a splash of soda. That's kind of a classic Spritz where they might add a little wine too, but just like a splash of soda and there's Fernet, there's Averna, Cynar, like all kinds of different things. And some are a little more herbal, some are a little more sweet, some are a little more spicy, so it just kind of depends what you like. And the bartenders here are really good at guiding you along that if you want something sweeter or spicier, more vegetable kind of, like minty kind of thing.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of different ways you can go.
Dave, thanks so much for having us here at Supino Pizzeria. We really appreciate you taking the time out to talk to us.
Thanks for coming out. Appreciate you guys.
And thank you guys for joining us on Eats in the D. See you next time. So as you can see, pizza is real in the deep. Thanks for digging in. I'm Noni. Catch y'all later.